Hello everybody, this is going to be a video of the fan that I showed in a previous video, and now I have it mounted for, of course, temporary testing, but really that's the fan I need to get probably some new blades or bend them back or whatever. It's got some sagging blades, but really other than that, I will start by putting it on low. Maybe a little bit of a fast low. Here's medium. It does wobble a tiny bit, but it's really not that bad. You start to hear it a little bit. It doesn't make any bearing noise, but you can definitely hear the sound of the blades. Here's high. I can definitely hear it. It moves some good air. Nothing amazing, but for a $15 fan, which is what I paid for at the Restore, it's decent. Now I'll do the spin down. I'll probably end up making another video with it, with the plastic blades that it came with. It has a decent spin down. that's it for what I believe is a Fastgo brand fan. If any questions, put them in the comments. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.